So hello everyone, for today's video I will teach you how to remove these icons here in your taskbar. For the very first step, just right click in your taskbar and you'll see this. Just choose the news and interest, click turn off. Okay, that is the simplest thing you can do just to remove these icons here. And to bring it back, just find the news and interest again, and you can choose whether you will show icon only, this, or icon and text. Okay, so that is very clear, right? So I hope you have learned something for today's video, and thank you for watching.